Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing slightly lower on Thursday, pressured by shares in banks, diversified financials, and insurance sectors. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims falling to 264,000 last week, and wholesale inventories rising 0.6% in April. Decliners, they were ahead of advancers. 58% of SP 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Merck announcing the acquisition of privately held Afferent Pharmaceuticals for an upfront payment of $500 million in cash. Also, H&R Block releasing fourth quarter diluted EPS of $3.13 versus $2.66 a year ago on revenue of $2.3 billion, in line with last year's figures. Turning overseas, Asian markets in the red today. The Nikkei closing out the week down 0.4%. The Hang Seng down 1.2%. China's CSI 300 down 0.41%, and South Korea's Kospi in the red, down 0.32%. European markets are in the red as well, and U.S. futures calling for a negative open. In terms of expectations today, there is nothing on the major earnings docket, while on the economic front, we have at 10 o'clock in the morning the June preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment read expected to come in at 94, and in the afternoon we also have the May monthly budget statement expected at negative $56 billion. Now, turning over to the markets, the Trading Central finds the SP 500 to be turning down. Now, the SP 500 sees its immediate trend remain down and the momentum being strong. Short positions below 2106 are favored, with targets at 2085 and 2079 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that's turning down, preferring short positions below 4510, and the Dow Jones turning down as well, preferring short positions below 17,910.